Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how I build my van bed so I can fit my legal motorcycle below my bed. But first, let's take it out and show you how it's done. I'm going to show you how I made my IKEA bed. But first, let's get this van back to normal. First thing I did was to install some rib nuts into the van chassis. Then I screwed some 2x4s into the rib nuts with M8 screws. For the method slide bracket, I make sure to install one screw every 2 holes, so this doesn't go anywhere. For the back of the van, I cut some of the IKEA method bars into smaller pieces so I can install it as IKEA bracket. As you can see, I installed some big nuts so the IKEA SKORVA bar cannot go out. This makes me win about 10 centimeters on the van, from the back bar to this part. That means a lot in a van. Now I'm going to show you how to install these bars. As easy as that. Next, installing the LUROY SLATS. As you can see, no space is wasted. This goes all the way to the back part of the van. Now I just have to put the mattress on. Now you can see that the mattress is fully supported. Now to make the bed, just start by the hardest corners. Now let's put the blanket on. And now I'm going to show you how I fit the most important part of this build under the bed. And this is how I fit my small motorcycle inside my van camper build.